everybody. Welcome back for the InvestTalk YouTube Market Wrap-Up. I'm Lou Guerrero, and today is Wednesday, June 11th, 2025. Let's talk about the market today. U.S. stocks were lower overall in trading, though they were trading up for a big portion of the day on the back of some positive trade news. But that was before some tension rising in the Middle East forced markets a little bit downward. The Dow finished flat on the day, S&P 500 down 27 basis points, NASDAQ down 50, Russell 2000 down 38 basis points. Industrial metals, rare earth metals, transports, regional banks, those are some of the notable underperformers on the day, as well as big tech, which was mostly lower. Oil, energy did particularly well on the back of the surge in crude oil in the second half of the session. Other outperformers included quantum computing, utilities, nuclear, and legacy autos. Treasuries a bit firmer on the back of that CPI print. Gold finished fractionally higher on the day. Crude oil, as I already mentioned, up almost 5% on rising tensions in the Middle East. More defensive tone overall, renewed ramp up in those Middle East tensions. As I mentioned, some optimism surrounding a U.S.-China framework, though it's important to note the only agreement was just to enforce a framework already decided upon in Geneva in the past. The U.S. is getting more access to rare earth metals, albeit for only a 6-month guarantee, and tariffs are still substantially higher than they were in March of this year. Bessent suggested, though, today that the White House was looking to roll forward another 90 days rather than implement those reciprocal tariffs for trading partners who he said were acting in good faith. And the big positive news, inflation. The print today, marking the fourth straight month of cooler CPI than expected. The headline CPI number up 10 basis points month over month below the April 20 basis point increase. Also, the consensus leaving the reading up 2.4% year over year. Core also coming in a bit light as well, up 10 basis points, with the expectation being up 30. Looking ahead to next week, we get PPI and jobless claims out on Thursday. News that Senate Republicans may be headed to the White House to discuss reconciliation of the bill. And then we get preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment, as well as inflation expectations on Friday. Thanks for joining me. Can't wait to see you back here tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications on.